Dubai, a city where opulence meets innovation, stands as a beacon of modern architecture and luxury. Among its myriad of attractions, the Burj Khalifa towers above all, not just in height, but in the experience it offers. As the tallest building in the world, it grants unrivaled panoramic views from its observation decks, making it a highlight for both residents and tourists alike. Not far behind in grandeur is the Dubai Mall, a behemoth of retail space. The Dubai Mall houses over 1,200 stores and features attractions like an expansive aquarium and endless entertainment options, ensuring that every visitor finds something to marvel at. Further expanding the skyline's allure, the Burj Al Arab, shaped like a sail, presents itself as one of the epitomes of luxury, offering the ultimate luxurious stay and dining experience. However, Dubai's appeal is not solely in its towering structures. The Palm Jumeirah, an artificial marvel, offers a unique combination of upscale resorts and vibrant dining options in the shape of a massive palm tree. The city's waterfront district, Dubai Marina, is the perfect spot for those who seek picturesque surroundings melded with a culinary journey along the diverse assortment of cafes and restaurants lining the promenade. For those captivated by traditional charm, the Gold Souk presents a glittering display of gold jewelry, whereas the Spice Souk enchants with its array of spices and aromatic herbs that transport visitors to a different world. A visit to Al Safa Park provides a peaceful retreat with its vast green spaces and facilities perfect for family outings. On a cultural note, the Dubai Museum, set within the historic Al Fahidi Fort, provides interactive exhibits that delve into the city's rich heritage and cultural evolution. A sight not to be missed is the Dubai Miracle Garden. With millions of flowers artistically arranged in compelling designs, it stands as one of the largest floral gardens in existence, bringing a burst of color and life to the desert city. Together, these attractions embody the unique blend of tradition and modernity, showcasing why Dubai remains a bucket list destination for travelers worldwide.